Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Kevin Sykes and we are your Fort Worth Chiropractors. I'm here with Roger today and we've been working on Roger for a little bit and he's had various issues due to a fun car accident. Tell me a little bit about the accident real quick.
I was hit in the driver's side front by a car that was turning, and it really messed up my shoulder.
It was a pretty big impact.
Yeah.
And we've worked on various different areas. Lots of improvements so far, still a little bit more to go. But we'll take a closer look at that shoulder today for sure. So for starters, I want you to stand up for me and just face that way. And I'm going to have you at the beginning just lean to the left as far as you can at the waist. Okay? And let's go the other direction. Does one of those feel easier or harder than the other?
No.
Okay. Going to the left a little bit less. Not a ton, but there is definitely something in the low back that we want to look at, even though that's not our major area of concern. Go ahead and lean your head to the left. Tilt your head to the left as far as you can. Okay. Let's go to the right. Yeah, a little bit tighter going this way. Could you tell?
Yes.
A little bit, yeah. Go ahead and turn your head to the left and look to the right. A little bit that way as well. Okay, so go ahead and set your glasses down. Let's go face down. Adjust some of these spots and then we'll look at that shoulder. Yeah, you know you're not supposed to get in car accidents, right? Like that's not the plan.
Yeah.
Okay, just checking. It's never fun for any involved.
No, it's not.
But that's what we're here for. All right. Just let it relax. Take a deep breath in. Bend your legs for me. A little push. Okay. Let it relax. Let those knees rest down. Same thing. Just let it loose. Okay. Good. Relax it here. A little push. That's always a good spot. How's work today?
It was good.
Well, that's good to hear. Haven't heard that from too many others today.
Not as stressful as normal, so
Glad to hear it. Same thing, rested. Okay. Yeah, I mean, I can tell you were talking about that left shoulder. I mean, all through here. So go ahead and stand up or flip over for me. Try and get this head on straight. Let it rest here. Good. Same thing, rest your head back. Let it rest. Good. Okay. Go ahead and slide down just a little bit. I want you to take your hand and put it on the side of your head for me. I'm going to lean you over this way here. Let me slide behind you. Let it rest down. We're going to work the shoulder just a little bit right here. Just let this relax. Let it all loose. Hang on, one more. Just let it all loose. Okay, come on up. Stand up for me. And I want you to face this way. Scoot back a little bit. Put your hand on your hip for me. Just let this relax. Now remind me, have we done this one yet?
I don't
Okay,
think so.
this is a fun one. So I'm going to say 1, 2, 3. I want you to pull your elbow back, okay?
All right.
So just your elbow like that. So for now, hold it tight. Don't let me pull it forward. And go 1, 2, 3, pull. Okay, let's do one more. Hold it tight. Hold it tight. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now let it relax down to your side. Just going to loosen it up here. Is that okay?
Yeah.
You been keeping on spring training at all?
I have not really.
Yeah, me either. I know there's a whole lot of Tommy John pictures that they brought in,
Yeah.
so who knows how that's going to go. All right, let's go ahead and scoot forward just a little bit. Let's do that recheck. So everything moved well, so it should show a difference from what we did before. So go ahead and lean to the left. That's pretty good. Go the other way. And that is better. Good, good. Now lean, tilt your head to the left. Good. And that's much better. Can you tell the difference?
Yes.
Okay, good. Look to the left for me. That's good. Look to the right. That's a lot better. Man, you might have some hope for you yet. How's that shoulder feeling as of now?
Feels good now.
A little looser?
Yep.
Okay, big difference, okay? We just need to get it to where it stays that way. So let's go and do your therapies, and appreciate you coming in and keeping up with the schedule. I know it's a lot of work, but hey, we really need to do it because car accidents are no joke, okay?
Yes.
So we'll appreciate you coming in, and thank you everybody for watching. Again, I'm Dr. Kevin Sykes, and we are your Fort Worth Chiropractors.